Hey guys, you may have heard about BitClout in the news for having accounts for influencers on Twitter, like Elon Musk, and people that through the platform can speculate on the tokens. It got a lot of news play. And you might ask, what is the platform? Why do I care? Really, some of the biggest blockchain VCs are in it. They have an interesting model where you can profit from doing tweets, essentially, or what are called clouts, or do reclouts. And you do the site essentially by registering. You can scroll through feeds, and then you're using this native token to the platform cloud to buy up each other's community coins. And that helps it double and appreciate the accounts themselves. So an example of this is Elon Musk's. So he has a certain coin price that got bid up, from $1, and now it has this amount of USD locked up in the BitClout coin, and the market cap is about 3 times higher, so people can sell and buy the token itself, and it has some internal liquidity as an automated market maker. But they have a lot of tools where you can track profiles and helps you invest essentially in other creators that are on the platform. And there are a lot. And if you look at what actually underpins the platform, you have the biggest VCs, Sequoia, A16Z, which is Andreessen Horowitz, Coinbase. And then only recently did they go to one of the decentralized exchanges for liquidity. For the longest time, you couldn't sell BitClout. So it's a really exciting time for the platform. And in terms of what you can do to make money on there, making a platform profile, doing some quality content, contributing, commenting on other people's videos, and really it's a huge improvement over Twitter or Facebook because you're profiting as opposed to extending all your profitability to those companies. My book is out on Amazon. Feel free to download it if you have Kindle Unlimited, and like or review this video. And thanks for your time.